Do you want to win your bet? Do you like reading stories? Do you like playing game but you don't have enough space on your phone? Don't worry, the solution is here. So guys, in this video I will show you where you can play a game without installing the game in your phone. Yeah, especially if you don't have enough space on your phone and you want to play a game. So this is how to do it. Follow and stay for more. And the second one is where you can read stories, novels and all that. This app have it all. You can read any story of your choice, any novel of your choice. And the third one is this particular app, it helps you to predict the team that has the high chance of winning a game. Yeah, if you are a sporty bet or you play any online betting, this particular app will help you to give a small prediction to a team that has the high chance of winning. Yeah, so let's go and I will show you how it.
Download this Phoenix app on Play Store or Apple Play Store. So you click on it. When you click on it, it will bring the first interface will be on this news phase here, where you can read different news and all that. So but we are not going for news, we are going for the secret hidden update. So you click on this explore. When you click on the explore, you will see different options over here. So the first option is about clearing the space of your phone, yeah, deleting some unwanted things and some creatures and all that. The second one is saving status from your WhatsApp, so you can automatically save any status, image or videos on your WhatsApp status. Yes. So this the third option here is football analysis. Yes, yeah. When you click more on this football analysis, you will see that they have predicted, and some people also voted, that this particular team is likely to win the opposite team. Yeah, as you can see here, Man City is likely to win on this match. Man City have 71% of winning, 71% rate of winning. So, and Brentford has 29. So Man City is likely to win this match. The same thing with other matches. So you can still use it in prediction of your betting. So you can go back for novel readers. Yeah, those people, if you like reading novels, love novels and all that, you can search them here. You can read any ones here. Just click more here. Click the option of more and you bring different novels. You can search by clicking on library and type the name of the novel you want on this here, on this interface here, this option. So you can scroll down. If you are a game player, if you want to play game, you can select and search for any game. You can also click more to select extra games. So that's how it works. This game you can play it without downloading it. The only thing is just have your data and you can play the game online. It's not about consuming, you will not consume your space. Yeah, you're not downloading it to your phone. You can play it online. After playing, close the chapter and go and do your things. So if you don't have enough space in your phone, you can also do that and enjoy your free time. So I showed you novel, game and best prediction. You can also clear your internal space of your phone. So guys, follow, like, comment and make sure you share for more updates and more information.